Yo, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Today is 13th May. We will discuss about crypto, forex, commodities, and stocks. At the end, we'll discuss about US stock market. But at the start, we will discuss about active trades. Then we will have crypto update. Then forex trades or crypto trades, live trades, and then we will discuss about gold, oil, and US stock market. So, yeah, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to hit that like button, and let's get started. XRP close or not, bro? XRP is round tripping. I don't know why. Yep, we got PPI today. So at this point, we got PPI data, which was sort of bearish. So we got some rejection, and that is why we got some losses also. Not that big, but still, this dot stopped out, and I was scalping on copy trade. This dot stopped out 0.88%, and we formed EQL here. So yep, I was trading at POC here, and I took a second entry around this POC, but still we got stopped out. And I will discuss about copy trading afterwards. And we have swing trade here. We are still sitting around the entries. After that, we have XRP. In my opinion, if we have a newer pump, like where's the RSI? RSI is okay, price is okay. If we have a newer pump around 1.46, I will try to move our SL to entry, just because we have this position, or maybe on the wrong time, just because BTC is you can see BTC is moving in a strange range. Gold is also moving in a strange range. Why strange? Just because look at this, these are the liquidity pockets. Like for me, these are the liquidity pockets, like the golden ones, and on the upper side we have this one, and to the max we have this one where our entry one was placed yesterday. So if you look at the chart, we are just roaming between these. So either we are going to for the max volatility around after the or during the China trip from Trump side, just because just now, like around here, Trump trip started and Trump have landed in the Beijing. I just checked the Twitter. So yep, we'll wait for it. And this is the trade that I have just shared, that I will be shorting BTC around these levels. I shared it in the group tomorrow, yes, today morning. And these are TPs. I don't think so we are getting front run, just because we haven't swept this level. So in my opinion, we will come back and sweep this level. So yep. Hello, welcome to the stream. Telegram notification rotated. Discord is also good, but if you have Discord open maybe on your web or on your PC, then it's not going to ping on your mobile. So yep, it's have that sort of problem. Bro, explain on SRP. I'm sorry, I already did, bro. I did explain here, and I will show the XRP BTC trade also. Like for our brother, you're saying for me, okay. Uh, hello, Rick. Welcome to the stream. I got another SRP entry around 1.8343. So what's your average entry? If your average entry 1.43, then you got it entry for honest opinion. And BTC at $80,000. BTC is also a good entry, like around this week. Yeah, perfect. So in my opinion, this is liquidity week, and we got stopped out on this one, and I will discuss about copy trade afterwards. And I want some sort of like a channel, or like whatever you call it, announcement channel, just like Robert did. So we can, I can like share, let's say trade one activated, like trade one activated, something like this. And when it hit TP, I share why I booked TP, why it got toward SL in second side, or after this trade closed, what's the profit, let's say 3% profit on this one, and trade two activated, something like that. So I want to create a channel. Now you have the opinion, or you have the like main stuff, like I should create it on Discord or WhatsApp. It's up to you. Why WhatsApp? Just because I have one limit for the verified channel. We will get the blue tick on WhatsApp on the channel if you want. I will not choose Telegram. It's up to you. Either WhatsApp or either Discord. WhatsApp channel will be private. No one will get access to that one. And if you choose Discord, I will add my own Discord server. And if you like go with, let's say, $1,000 in your copy trading, I will give you the access to premium section where we have like 5 traders, and in maybe June I will add 1 or 2 more traders. So we have 5 traders here, plus me and all the stuff. So I think Discord would be good. So I will create a section where you have a teaching section also, and other stuff also. So yeah. Hello, baby, BJ. Hi, Cryptex. Hi, welcome to the stream, bro. So yeah, boss of Cryptex Johnson, where it's not showing, bro. I don't get it. Like TP is not showing, TPS are not showing clearly almost all the time. Like you mean my chart is something like this. So if something like this, you have the TP entry here, like entry is this, SL is this, TP1, TP2, TP3. This is why it is the SL. So you have all everything on the chart. I don't know what do you mean, but still, let's get to it. We lost 2 trade, no, 1 trade, bro. It will say maybe 2 trade just because we have the DCA. Otherwise, it's 1 trade. Just because it's something like this, like where the chart first entry here, second entry here, so it's sort of 1 trade. Or are they not closed yet? They're closed, bro. They are closed. This was the SL, $80,399. $300, not this. It was around, yep, this level, $80,300. So we got stopped out on this one. I choose SL just below the VL, the previous VL, the Monday VL, and we got second entry around this level, first entry around this level, and we got stopped out. They are closed. I am looking to live trade, but we got that BG stuff, so let's see what happens. And also, there's a stuff like you can see we got first entry around where it is. Yep, this average bid entry was $81,100. Then we got this one, so it is $80,850, and we got stopped out at around, what's the level here, $80,272. So we got stopped out. This is the stuff, and I am going to look at Euro USD here. So I will like move it towards here. We don't have any discussion. Hello, welcome to the stream, bro. Where should I open your here? Yesterday, after we closed it at 3 RR, this got stopped out at entry, so 3 RR booked on this one, and same on road, we got TP1 and then we got stopped out. So yep, both trades were positive yesterday on the live stream, and now I am going to look at Euro USD. We have some sort of zone here that have this one. If you look at the range, this is, let's say, the middle zone. This is the lower zone, or the support level, big support level you can say, and this is the resistance level. Why this is resistance level? You can see one tap, two tap, three tap, and we got the Friday closing around somewhere around here. Then with another tap, and I will. This will be like your base divergence stuff, like starting from here to here. Uh, Further, uh, we have signal group where we give signal only. Okay, and in WhatsApp there's nothing extra. There is nothing extra in the WhatsApp. If you look at WhatsApp group, WhatsApp is just let's say you can say a free promo of what we are giving in the premium. Can you expect check road for step? Yep, I will. I will. I'm just marking some levels on this one. Am I the only one who took and upload? Ah, yep. Hey, you are the only one. The rest one are with $100. I started with $1,000, but when I saw like people are with less dollars, so I contacted Bybitsport that if it's okay. So they said you have to choose what the average people have. So I went with $250, and maybe I will add my another account for computed so I can trade with bigger amount. So yep, was scared of losing money or what? Both things, bro. People already lost their money in the like dump. This dump, you can see the this dump. People already lost their money, or people don't have money either to trade. Both stuff. So this is the trade I am looking at. Why I am looking at this? Because we have previous almost closing. No, I'm not probably closing. Closing was somewhere around here, but I will almost the closing low. We will retest it just because we have dumped toward in the PPI data, and now we will be getting it maybe retested. If we have a perfect retest, even after the sim, I will try to short it up around the average entry would be 1.172. So I will try to short. My SL would be above this close. So if you look at this close, this one, so I will move my SL to this level. So it's 1.174, and my TP would be major TP would be this level. This is 1.168, something like this. Yep. So it will be, let's say, 2.29 or 2.3 hour trade. After that, we have gold for scalps. We formed RC divergence actually, so we are late to the party here, but still, let me mark some zones. We are first down here. Reclaim of this level would be bullish, something like this. I will wait for 46.96, not here. And after that, we got RC divergence here, and nothing more on the chart. Let's add TPO here. Yep, there you go. Around my level, like I said, 46.96. So this zone would be the level to be tested. Like we got the POC and another two big bars just below. So yep, I will be like looking at this level to trade or to scalp actually. Maybe if that, let's say we got rejected, my trade would be something like this. I will be testing the previous lows, something like this, or actually I will be long in it from the same zone, candle SL below the previous candles, and targeting this poor high around here. So in both cases, we saw sort of get 3.6 or 3.7 or on the average side. Hi, welcome to the stream, bro. Your name is Hassan. Okay, welcome to the stream, bro. And I am actually looking at. Let me look at forest pairs if I got some. This is euro. Leave it here. This is active, so maybe around here just because this was just stopped out. not stopped out actually. We got TP1 and then we got closed. This is from yesterday live stream. So I will delete it here and I will look at we have checked euro. I will look at euro JPY and afterwards this was which shade? Yep, this was the opening trade. Yep, the stock market opening trade. Yep, I did it. So after that we have no, I haven't analyzed this. Let me. We have we are in the middle of the range. This is let's say the resistance. Let's say I am just assuming it. And how you like confirm it? You confirm it with fibs. You let's say place your fibs here. It should align with major level like 0.5 or 0.605. So one of the major resistance is also this level, I would say, right around here. We got the wick here, and if you actually place a trend line, like run a trend line, and on the RSI, I already told you that like I sometimes get like this, and if you look at the price is still sitting at somewhere around here, but the RSI have gone below, and RSI started dripping here somewhere around here. So it started broken below, sorry, above the trend line. So I will skip it. I will not trade it just because we don't have any juice here. Next pair would be pound USD, and yeah. Okay. I will answer you, Rizwan, if you're here. I just read your message on Discord. I will answer you. Don't worry. Let me complete the live stream. And yeah. So on here, let me see some stuff. We got some RSI divergence. Let me see with TPO. And even on the lower time frame, we got some sort of RSI divergence. So maybe we can try a scalp here. Just like yesterday, we thought euro to Indian dollar yesterday. Not the euro, sorry, USD to Indian. So we have this one. I will let's say, I'm sorry, my keyboard sucks. So I will maybe move like this. Let me add TP here. So we have the yeah, poor highs here around here. Maybe we target Friday VH. So something like this. This would be a swing trade in my opinion. We have debated VH just like we did on BTC. Where the BTC chart? Maybe I deleted. Anyways, so I will not try to enter here. I will wait for it to claim VH to get a better RR, and my SL would be something like this. So this is the first trade. You can either enter something like this, or you can actually enter at CMP to that. Maybe around you can enter at yep SL at POC 0. Sorry, not 0.1.34786. So yep, in my opinion, this is also okay, but depends how you want to enter. So there are two scenarios. First is this, and second is this. Entry here, TP here, SL would be below the lows. So both leads to like 4 RR plus. So depends on you how you want to trade. I would go with both scenarios. The first one is a little bit risky, and the second one is with tight SL. If you don't want to go with tight SL, you can play this SL also. So it depends on you. Let me place some limits on the broker. So okay, let me just trade account and If you have any other question in the meantime, you can ask. I was using mobile. Okay. Also, let's just check the dashboard. We have to check the dashboard. And if you, so okay, so if you are in my computer, I have contacted my admin. You just send me a DM with a proof that you have followed me, and I will add you on Discord with some exclusive section. So only you or the paid members will have access. So yep, we are forming. Can we add RC here? Let me see. Yep, RC here. Add. So we are forming the RSI divergence here. If you have a look at BTC price, just give me a minute so I can highlight it. It should be here. Yep, here it is. So I will be like marking RSI here. So you, if you have a look at this, so we got RSI, sorry, on the price action we got something like this. The RSI is on the lower side, like forming low lows. Price pubs are forming the highs, and even spot is forming higher highs. So we got some sort of divergence. If you look, if you know what is CVD, cumulative volume divergence, if you know that stuff, we are forming pubs and spot divergence with like forming RC divergence. Only BTC for now on top of it. I will move Ethereum also, but first only BTC. I will add Ethereum plus Solana maybe also. This week only BTC, but let's say if any trade will have some sort of confluence or I have some trust in any trade, I will follow that one also. So yep, we got some RC divergence on this one, and after that you can see where what you have to see and mention or say, not mention, you have to see here, notice here is that on Binance we have decreased, we have lowered the volume. Like on Binance no one is actually selling, actually buying. You can see no one is actually buying, so spot is almost dead. You can see, like look at the spot levels, maybe on the 4 hour time frame also. Like look at the spot level, it used to be something like this at around $80,000. Previous one is loading, give it some time. Like look at this, it used to be look like this, but now it's sort of empty. Same with Coinbase, it used to look like this, but still here it is a sort of hollow. And we are on this side we are bilkul, like we are empty, we don't have any sort of like what do you call the volume here. And 8th May to like 10th May, we got a gap. I don't know why we got a gap, but it's due to API maybe from exchange side. But still here, you can see a huge volume here by bit, but still volume is decreasing. So yep, volume decreasing, volume decreasing, volume decreasing, and you can. It's not on the just sell side. It's also on buy sorry, future side also. But if you the volume started decreasing on which date? Let me see. It started decreasing on 17 September 2025, and after that we are still is, you can say waiting for that. And if you look at like just this month only, you can see no buys here, no buys here. Bybit is longing, like this is a future chart, so you can say they are longing. They are longing on, well, greater than selling. So we don't have much selling, but we have buying here. That's why we are seeing a sharp increase in, let's say, the price. So yep, we don't have much spot, but still that's why I remain still bearish. And my next level to, let's say, short would be like this level. It's around $84,000, and I expect, let's say, if we are bullish on, let's say, 1 or 2 days time frame, we are maximum going to this level, tap this level or sweep this level by this, and we are going to a downside. I still think the top is already in, but still if we have some sort of move left, then this will be the move that I have mentioned. So yep, this is on a dashboard. And also I want to share SRBT's chart. I already said your pound is moving in profits, nice. But still I will not trim until unless we have 1.35368. So what will be the RR here? that would be around 1.56 hours. So I will not trim it around there until unless we tap that level. Yeah, buying volume is flat. I thought we don't draw kind of safe road. Yep, we have to go safe road just because it's not my own money. If let's say it's my own money, I can go with 100x leverage, 100% position size, and I don't even like care for my $250 or like 100 or $1,000. But it's your money, so yeah. And after that, we have what I was about to talk. The sorry BTC. Let's open it here. NVIDIA is still pumping. The R-side divergence is still going. The market price. So we the bigger the R-side divergence we have, the bigger we will see a crash, and you will see a crash. Meta is still there, but still, let's start with BTC. I want to talk about this one. Like just because on our trade we got the XRP USD did active. So on here, look at this. Like this is the resistance level. Once we break this level on the upper side, we will go crazy. Like not crazy, but still we will gain some TPs. And last time this happened was somewhere around. Let me see, maybe this level. Yeah, this level. You can say this is the same level. We got some consolidation within the range, and then we start the pump. This was around 5.8%, and this was 16th May. And if you look at the XRP chart on the USD time frame, sorry, USD chart on 16th May. Let me go to it's May or March. It's March. 16th March. So you can look, this is the debt level, the March, and if you look at this, so we got 15% pump. So just on this 3%, we sorry 5%, we got 15% pump on this one. And what we are targeting on SRP is same stuff. Like look at this SRP, we are targeting 17%. So even if we let's say do 3 to 4% on that one, the BTC pair, we will get almost TP3 or TP4 hit on this one. I don't know how many TP we got. We got 3 TP. So yep, we can get 1.61 in second TP. So yep, we can get to there, and that is still around 15%. So yep, that's what I'm expecting. Yes, RR is good there. It can be huge when if BTC pumped so we upload. Yep, SRP will explode. I bet, but still we have to break on that structure like this one where I mentioned this one. And even if I run the fixed range volume profile on this one, you will see we are still sitting above the value area high. The POC is much lower, and we are still constant with this one. Like we have 3% gap. Like 3% gap means let's say 10% of the price action, and or even 7%. Like 7% would be somewhere around 1.31. So we can easily get our asset tapped. We could have got our asset tapped yesterday, but price chose to deviate VH and then return it to it. So yeah, that's why. And even if I just use these candle, then we have the POC. So yeah, we are at a good level. I have some confidence on XRP trade. And this is still going. The major resistance level would be this one. The value yellow 1.3511. Not much on the forex side. Forex is kind of slow at the moment. Like look at the euro. We are slow. Pound is moving, but other are slow. This is just because of dollar index. It's like look at this. We broke out yesterday. As I said, we broke out. Then we retested it. Then we are pumping, but we are pumping in let's say the previous candle, the previous week. So that's why we don't have any sort of movement on the forex side. I will look at gold. Gold dumped from the low volume zone. I don't know why. We got the news something. Just because it's not meant to dump from here. We got no volume here. It's a bigger dump. It's not like small one. It's 0.5%. And even on gold, 0.5% is considered huge. We don't got any news, but still I don't know why. Okay, so $180 billion was wiped out from your stock market in just 10 minutes. Okay, so maybe that's the reason. Maybe that's the reason. So this was effective, like sort of invalid. Again, we are forming RC divergence. You may enter here or may not. Sort of fallen knife here. Just because we are trading on news, it can do something like this. I would say this is extremely risky. If you don't have, let's say, knowledge on trading, then skip this one. Otherwise, go with one. Maybe PPI data impact. Yeah, PPI data impact, but this is due to the this one was the PPI data impact, and now this one is due to it. It came in hot. Yep, 3.5 years high. So I can get it. That is why the market is kind of slow. I am in the gold trade. I am going for 3 RR. SL tight at 46.65. If I run, let's say, fish chain volume profile here, what do we get? We got POC here. So, yep, we may retest this VL. And what's the order here? 0.9. So, yep, okay. I'm just listing my TPs. Sorry for silence. That news always lagging. Yup, the PPI always lags. And CPI also lags. If you look at yesterday, we got dump afterwards, like after few hours or like few minutes. Now you can see this is how news volume works. This is not the organic volume, I would say. This is news volume. Like look at candles. Road 47 TP. Yeah, 47 TP, but I will trim my majority at 46, 87 or 88. Like maybe 60% here, 20% around 46.99, and then 47.11. We are now retesting the poor lows on the fixed range volume profile. I am in at 46.79. So yep, nice entry there. So this is pumping also. Okay. Let me add. This is 46.65 and TP is 47.11. TP1 is $46.87. Hey bro, you asked me to DM for written links. Yep, I already told you guys. I already answered you on the live stream. I'm live streaming. I will reply you, bro. Don't worry. I was waiting for you to comment or the chat section. I will answer. Don't worry. I have read your question on the Discord and we reply. Don't worry. The pound is 0.6 or up. I will trim my TP one around 1.6. So yep, no trim here. Yep. The XRP is still on the right side. BTC dumping. Yeah, BTC dumping. Gold is also dumping. Where's my just radio? Maybe 79,200. Ah, yep. 79,185 on my chart. If we squeeze that one, then we have $78,800. Let's see what happens. To be honest, these when until when the trip ends for Trump, we don't have to wait. Now you have the news here. Trump to wage Trump and C to wage tariff cuts on 30 billion of import. We are already getting news every minute, every second. We are getting news just because two major countries are on the like meetup, and we got the news here also. Iran startup could push market to the edge. It is not on the sort of news, but still, this is actually in the market. Nvidia share rise 2.5% to hit record highs. This is this is pushing market. So yep, we have to wait either. This is still holding, so I am sort of bullish on this one. Nvidia are going down. Yep, it all tapped all time high, so yep, you can expect some resistance at this level. From 2 to 6 to like maybe we fill this gap around to $20. Maybe you can have a look at this. Our SL was smashed, and now we are dumping down. Silver is still okay. Gold is at 4670. Our SL was 4665. In my opinion, we will get smashed on the SL. Don't follow BTC up. We will get smashed on the SL. In my opinion, the SL is 0.02, like 0.244%. Simply today is not a trading day best. We have another news. So we are getting news on every second. Lavrov accused the Trump administration of trying to dominate the global energy markets. So yeah, it's a news stream here. It's not on the basis analysis. It's on the news. So I on the bound, I am going to push my SL to entry, and will keep it holding. Even if it does stop out at entry, I have no worries. But gold is going to go lower. This one is going to go lower. We got stop out on this one, so I might delete this one. We have BTC active, SRP active, pound active, gold active. So these are not active. I will DC around here. I love the candle. I love this 5 minute candle. I will DC around 46.70. As you see, some positions are in quite a lot. So some lots are in positive, but overall negative. Mm-hmm. We don't have any other stuff to trade. 79611 on the BTC side. I closed my door here. Yep, gold is not like looking much solid here, to be honest. We have this value very high, had around $77, but still, it's a sort of risky. If you close here, it's half of the SL, but still, I am going for it. Just because this week was my good week, you can say I haven't got any SL on the Forex, so I can bear at least one SL. This week we got your USD CAD. Let me type it here. So I have yesterday we got this one. Now we have GBP now, and let's not run down this one. We got on Monday opening. We got this one and Euro JPY into two trades. So we got how many trades? One, two, three, four, five trades. And now this trade is this one. So if you manage your risk on the forex trades, you are actually printing. So in just 3 days, we got like 5 to 6 trades, and even on my this trade, I am at average. I am at average right now. So my average is around, yep, this level, 46.75, 46.65 SL. Okay, yep, I would choose this SL just because of this big candle, like this impulsive candle, this one. The closing rate for 46.71, so I will choose a little bit lower around this rate 46.65. So yep, I'm not going to erase this SL or like modify this SL. We're back to entry now. Yep, I am in profits just because I DC'd lower, minor profits. And yep, we are waiting for it. In my opinion, it should go up now. Got another news? Maybe no. Iran Labor Minister, we must reduce the sale of crude oil in the country to zero. Okay, so that's for oil. Now we are pumping, and I'm in profits. I will not trim it. Again, my first tip would be $46.88. Sorry, $87. Then we will have another TP around 47 or $46.99. Then our last TP at 47.11. Not disturbing this one or not interrupting. Okay, so we'd see at do what eyes on. I saw a chart on X and that looked good. Let me recreate it here for you guys. The time frame was 4 hour time frame. Or something like this. Yep. So perfect retest of this one. Now we are at do or die zone. Let's say if you take this as channel. So yep. We are at do horizon for BTC. Retesting previous highs from Wednesday 22 April. We are retesting these highs, and yep, if BTC back to 80K and hold it and bullish up, it will be bullish, and in my opinion, we will sweep this high then to the upper side. Like we will do something like this, sweep this high, and from something like this, just like Nvidia did. Like Nvidia did around here. Like you can see, we got a bounce here, then we sweep this high, and now we are doing something like this. So that's what I'm expecting if we hold this level. So on, I am in decent profits. I don't know why. Whenever I say profits, we form a candle. 82,800. Yep, yep, perfect. $82,000 or around $83,000. Again, you can see, ooh, we are at DCA level, and like crypto market is showing some potential, like not strong potential, but do or die zones is sort of potential. So yep. Mhm. So yep, maybe we will end the stream here. We have two active trades, the pound and the gold here. I will not take any crypto trade just because crypto is in a sharp drop, and just like gold road pumped a little bit. Like let's say the gold dropped on the live stream 0.38%, and after that we got a pump of 0.28%. But crypto is still in the downside, and we got a 2% dump on BTC, and still we are at that level. We haven't bounced back yet. And even if you look at pound, we got 0.27% of downside, and then we got 0.24% of upside. So yep, we are back at the same levels on forex and commodities. But look at the crypto side. I am doubting this one if we hold this one or not. Should we close the BTC limit? No. I still have the BTC limit. This one, if we break through below $79,000, I will close. I will invite delete these limits. And bit gold is bouncing, pound is bouncing. So yep, I am earning almost 10% of my gold profits here. Like what I have invested. The what have we got? ROI? Yep, ROI. I'm getting 10% ROI here. So if we go, let's say around this level, we will get a decent ROI. So yep, I'm ending a stream here around 49 minutes and 50 seconds. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. And also, don't you have there already been some top trading? Nope, we didn't did some top trading, but one trade was placed today that was dropped out. And if you are following me on top trading, make sure to DM me on Discord so I can add you in the what do you call the in my channel. So you get some announcement like whenever I open a trade, you get notification. Whenever I close the trade, you get stop loss. Sorry, whenever I close, you get notification also. So yep, make sure to ping me on the DM, not in any chat session. Yep, thanks for watching. $50 profits movie, perfect. Enjoy, bro. That's your coffee money.